Recording on. Pranam Maharaj, as our regular routine and this Sunday class. Today we have here with another topic, as you suggested, death as teacher. So I request you, Maharaj, please elaborate this topic on which various spiritual leaders like Swami Vivekananda and Sri Ramakrishna has elaborately told lot many things that how death can be helpful in a spiritual life. So please further enlighten us in this regard. Over to you, Swamiji.
So, death as a teacher. We can learn so many things from the death for our spiritual growth. Not only the spiritual growth, for our mental peace, happiness, and we can get rid of illusion of worldly life. So, death teaches us that we are in this world for a very limited time. That is true. That we live in such a way that we are living in this world permanent. No idea, no desire to live this world. The way we are leading the life, not permanent, but for a long time I will be here and I will enjoy the life. The way you are moving, that is your attitude, that is your mental setup. But death reminds us, no, this world is a very limited time for everybody, for you. Then another point flashes in the mind. Death teaches us that rich, poor meet the same destiny, dust or soil. A billionaire or a person earning 100 rupees per month. One day, all their wealth, ego will dissolve into soil among bodies. Maybe billionaire, maybe beggar. Billionaire is thinking that I am the king, driving a luxury car, living a luxury house, everything in the luxury, and I am the king. So, even the palace, driving, everything is there. They think he's a king. But one day he will die, never come back. All their wealth will be held someone after his demise. So wealth is not for him, a billionaire. He thinks that money is mine, house is mine. But death reminds us that after death, it is not yours for others. Death will come and everything gone. Similarly, beggar is struggling hard for 2 bread. But he thinks this is the life. This is a struggle. But that also will end one day when you will die. That means after death, maybe billionaire, maybe beggar, turn into ashes, turn into soil. As Sri Ramakrishna used to say, what is there everybody will turn to soil acid. What is human beings? Man is nothing but a soil, 1/4 kilo of soil. That means after die, he will be mulched or in the soil. So this remembrance of the death can reduce our ego, which is the trouble of our life, which is the cause of the miseries, which is the cause to feel our boasting. So the moment we remember, but this remembering of the death certainly reduce your ego. And death also is permanent, inescapable. It is universal. It is applicable to all. Life is the beginning of death. Death is beginning of the life. Beautiful quote. One saying that is the death teaches us to think like that and change your life, change your thinking pattern of the life, change your thinking pattern of the world. Death remind us to do good work, avoid sin, because your life time is limited. So this limited time, he try to do the good work, right work, moral works, and he should avoid sin, avoid sin. The remembrance of the death reduce our dependency and expectation from others. We are suffering for that. So much expectation, dependency on others, objects, worldly materials, people. For this constant remembrance of death, reduce our dependency and expectation from others. We expect so too much, and that is we suffer too much. If expectation is less, suffering will be less. So death remind this kind of teaching to elevate ourselves, to elevation of our life. Even remembrance of death, it reduces the attachment to the worldly thing, and the moment you reduce the attachment of the worldly things, you will be more happy. So remembrance of the death help to make us happy. How? That uh, remembrance of the death actually reduce our attachment to the world. Try to love death, do not hate it. So we should love the death, not we should hate it. That means the more you love the death, the more you will be nearer to God. The people, those who want to renounce the world and who has too much attachment to the worldly things, worldly people, if they think of the death, which is truth, inescapable, it is universal, so death help us to grow or increase our renunciation or renouncing power. We want renunciation. Renunciation from all it is. So we can think of the death. That help you. And if you the moment to love the death, moment to think death such a way, how is a positive way to grow our life, then any occur situation you face in your work life or in your life, it will not disturb much. You can face the problem with a smiling face. If you love the death, but mental setup is such that death is part of the life. If you take that death is also a part of the life. Happiness is the part of the life. Sorrow is the part of the life. Death is the part of the life. Do not hate it. Mostly people, they do not want to hear the word death because of the fear of losing everything. But whether this fear is you have or not, or practically in true, in reality, death will take away everything. Then still in this life, why there is a fear of death? I should think of the death because this is true that universal death will take away everything from me. Nothing can I take, it will be here. So better face that, think the death. Yes. So you should not hate it. Keep it aside. Death is a part of the life. At the same time, you reconcile the mind that one day whatever I have, what attachment is there, what belongings are there, it will be here, death will take me. So this way, we should think death as a part of the life. It is not away from the life. People who fear the death, they think death is away from the life. They separate it. Death is one side and our life is one side. So death should be part of the life. If you think death and Swamiji's quotation, that tremendous power will come within you. That is Swamiji's quotation. So we should think death, but day-to-day life, whenever you are in the problem, mind is unrest, you are not happy, then think of the death. I think you will get some power, solace, and same time you can overcome the situation. Here is the occur situation, bad situation. The moment you think of the death. So death this way help us to remove our miseries, reduce our miseries to some extent, and make us happy. Because the more less dependence, more happy you have. More dependence on anything, you have a less happiness. It is already you have gathered experience, you have their own experience. Dependence is more, misery is the more. Dependence is the less, misery will be less, happiness will be more. So these are the few points I jotted down regarding death, how help us in spiritual life. Now you can put any questions you have
Yes, Maharaj.
on this.
As you mentioned, Maharaj, recently, very nicely you have elaborated and give a very positive points and how we can take advantage in our spiritual life. But generally, it has been seen that that has an image in common society and even in children also, even sometimes some senior members also take it as a fear only. You have mentioned it in your elaboration. So I think it is the fear factor which prevents anybody to think beyond the good points of death. So how to overcome this so that we can take the good aspect of it?
Fear is, fear is coming to everybody. That is true, what you already mentioned, because they are not ready to accept the truth. They are not ready to understand the truth. Fear means this present status of the life, enjoyment of the life, it will be taken away. But ultimately will be taken away. You cannot hold it, continue it. Even a beggar is thinking. They are not. They are no fear for the dead. अरे कब मेरा मृत्यु हो जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा. When people are suffering, that time they are not fear of death. अरे मर जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा. मर जाए तो why? Before that it has not come because they are suffering. So death will give them some relief or some solace. After death it will not come. But people have this, those who have having billionaire and more money, they are also suffering of insecurity, fear of insecurity. Death is insecurity. अगर ये तो चला जाएगा हमारे हाथ से. That is why people are not ready to accept the truth of the life. That is why we have a more suffering in the life. The moment we accept the truth that death is a part of the life, I think suffering will be less. But as we see in the society, 99% people are scared of the death, even they never utter the word death. They have no courage. So much fear from the word death, because death will be taken away, taken from us everything. That is truth. Death will will take away everything from us. So fear will not stop this. Fear will not be objective. It will take away everything. And the more and the early the understand the fear, death will take and everything from us. I think more will be happy and spiritual progress will be there. But that is the wrong notion people have, that fear for the death. We should not have the fear of the death. But those who are a little bit spiritual inclined people, those are moral, right person, they has no fear of the death. Of course, this percentage of this kind of people are very few, but they never fear of the word death as other people have. So that is for the ignorance, this kind of fear have comes to their mind. This is the ignorance, fear of death.
Thank you, Maurice.
Any more questions?
Anybody else who wants to ask any question?
Hello, Maharaj Pranam.
Yes, Ravindra.
Maharaj, especially this like 1 or 2 months, I especially realized this, I mean, personally experienced due to suffering of this COVID and all those things. And fear of ourselves is more means less fearful, less than the fear of our loved ones. The attachment really make us fearful, sir, Maharaj. Like our parents were, because all of us were suffering. So how to tackle
Yes.
means.
Dependency. The dependency word I use. Parents, so much dependence on son, daughter. So they have more fear in the life for their son and daughter. Son and daughters, they dependent to the parents. Yeah, they have the more fear. But even some young boy has the corona. affected by the corona, how their parents are reacting, how much they are inside within. Whereas the other people, even the relatives, they also come to know that this person affected by the corona. But they are not much stress and so much fear is there as compared to other parents because the question of attachment. Because of the attachment, this much of fear, if the dependency. But family members, others family member dependency is the less, that is the fear also is less. So death, even death occurs. No dependency is less, so much, not much suffering in their mind. Whereas parents, they cannot bear it. How I can live without my son or daughters who have been affected by the COVID-19. So that is related to the attachment, and the moment we accept the death, that is the truth, this attachment will dilute it. Attachment will be diluted, so fear will be diluted, death, fear for the death also will be diluted. This is the case, result of attachment. And the moment you think of the death, I think you can reduce the attachment. I think you got it, Ravindra.
Yes, Maharaj. Yes. We have to. This means
So we
yes,
should close here. Yes.
Yes, Maharaj. Yes. Thank you, Maharaj. Thank you.
Yes, Maharaj.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Anybody else having any
My
question?
love and blessings to all. अच्छा रहो, आनंद में रहो, आनंद आदि काजू खाओ.
Thank you, Maharaj.